Okay, so I did my PowerPoint over the life cycle of plants. So this lesson is geared towards third grade life science and the lesson learning standards for life science. And I think it can be around like second and fourth grade too. So this slide is an overview of the life cycle of a plant. So it starts out as a seed, becomes a sprout, grows leaf, stem, root, becomes a flower, and then some flowers turn into fruits after that. So this is like a little C. Basic need. Plants need sun, water, nutrients, space to grow, and air. Plants produce seeds in many ways as they are created to reproduce. Seeds are spread by animals, wind, and humans. And here's another little visual. And in the next slide, it basically just shows some of the ways the seeds travel. So like the dandelions travel by the wind, which you could take those from outside and bring them into the classroom to show students.